Alright, boys and girls, so welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Gorillaz here with us with a song called Baby Queen. So this one is a little bit different, this one. Not for being Gorillaz, but different in general. So great song here from Gorillaz. Fun to play as well. So let's look at this one. No need for any capo. We have 4 chords that will go in the same kind of strumming or in the same way through the entire song. So let's start with the chords. We have first the F. So that is a bar here on the first fret over all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. D minor next, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And then we have finally the G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so that is the chord progression: F, C, D minor, G through the entire song. Okay, so before we go over how many times we're going to play everything, so we need to look at the strumming pattern. Okay, so F will be the first chord, and one round of the strumming will be down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Okay, so it's 4 downs and then an up, or 1, 2, 3, and then down, up. I try to separate the downs from each other, so I'm playing the first 2 downs more on the bass strings, and then I kind of answer with the top strings on the down, down, up, and that makes it a little bit more colorful. So bass, bass, top, top, top. That's how I play it. Down, 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 up. So, alright, so we went through the chord progression F, C, D minor, and G. We're gonna play 2 strum rounds for F, 2 for C, then 3 for D minor, and then on the final chord G, you're gonna play down, down. So only 2 downs and a short pause between them. Okay, so it will be like this: F2, C2, D minor 3, then G, G, and then you continue. So that is how you play through this entire song. I'm going to give you 2 rounds so you hear how they sound together and how it goes. So let's start the 2 rounds. And that, my friends, covers Gorillaz' Baby Queen. So thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.